Ben and Pam get fed. Ben the pet hen was red. Ben met Pam, the pet cat. Pam and Ben had to get fed. "10 eggs and red jam," said Ben. "A yam and a ham," said Pam. "A wet web," said Ben at the men. Pam and Ben had a yell at the men. The men had 10 yams and 10 hams. Pam and Ben had to beg the men to get a ham. The men fed the ham to Pam and Ben. Pam and Ben sat and had the ham. Ben sat on Pam's leg. Pam had a nap.